Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to download different games in Gameloop. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download different games in Gameloop. So in Gameloop, the available games that are in here is the games that are available in your country. For example, I'm in the Philippines, so these are the games that are available in the Philippines. But there are games that are not available in my country. So how can I get them? First thing you need to do, open up your game loop, then click the three horizontal line on the top right. Once you click that, click on settings. And once you're here at settings, in the basics, go down and you will see country district. So what does this do? So country district, as you can see right here, changing this option will direct the market to local game resources. So for example, we're gonna go US. All the game in the US that are not available in the Philippines, I will be able to play in my game loop. So now I'm gonna click OK. There we go. It restarted. There we go. As you can see, it changed a little bit. There's games here that I don't know, and there's games here that I haven't seen in my Play Store, in my own Play Store, because my Play Store is connected to the Philippines. So yeah, that's how you change your game. That's how you download games from different countries. So right now we're gonna put it back to Philippines, and just a tip and a note: you can do this as many times as you want at any country as you want. So we're gonna put it in the Philippines. We're gonna put it back, and there you go. I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.